And we're in Ocean Shores, and as the sun goes down, the action's about to get started.
Yeah, last year was our first time coming here as a family, and after seeing the chaos and the crazy fireworks show that goes for hours, we decided that we wouldn't come anywhere else.
Is this your guys' first year here at Ocean Shores?
No, it is not.
How many years have you guys come?
Oh, at least 10 years.
Wow, so it's like a tradition now.
Yes, it is.
What's your favorite part about it?
This.
Everything?
This right here.
Do you like the fireworks and the bonfires and just all the people?
Yeah, seeing all the activity, definitely.
Awesome.